Ever wondered how to create user profiles on Engonus ERP? This powerful tool allows you to create a variety of profiles including customers, sellers, users, administrators, and many more. These profiles are key to managing your operations effectively. Let's dive into how to create these user profiles. First, find the People function in the left side menu. Simply click to unfold and reveal a comprehensive view of all user profiles. Each profile displays assigned permissions and functions, neatly organized for effortless navigation. It's that simple to view all users and their permissions. Now, on to creating user profiles. Our main user profiles are customers, suppliers, and sellers. These are created by filling out the required fields in the People function. Administrators or users are created in the account configuration, appearing automatically when setting up the company. For those employees needing access to our ERP, they too can be created here. After filling in the necessary fields, simply click Create and voila. And just like that, you've created a user profile. But there's more you can do here. Beyond creating profiles, you can navigate additional functions. Hover over a customer and a side menu appears. Here you can make settlements, like recording a payment from a customer. You'll also see the payment movement, giving you a clear financial picture. Adding a customer, seller, or supplier is a breeze. Simply click the button on the upper left when you're in Customers and fill out the fields. These functions provide additional insights and control over user profiles. So, to wrap things up, the People function in Engonus ERP allows you to create various user profiles, such as customers, suppliers, and sellers, providing a robust and flexible user management system. It also offers added functionalities like tracking payment movements. Master these steps and you'll be an Engonus ERP pro in no time. Thanks for watching.